Hi guys. Okay, I am so excited to do this video for you guys. I paid strangers from the internet to do my tutorial voiceover, but with a twist. So I actually went on Instagram, set up some polls, asked you guys to help me make these slimes for the tutorial. I thought that'd be more fun. The strangers do not know anything about this at all, so all of the pictures that I add, all of the poll results are added after. Shout out to Sarah Betts for this video idea. I think it's hilarious. The app that she used is called Fiverr. Basically, you can hire people to do services for you, so anything from photo editing, voiceovers, logo designs, anything like that. Anything that you can find. It's usually known to be affordable, starting at $5 and up, hence the name Fiverr. Of course, I'm looking for voiceover services. As I was looking for sellers, I noticed that most of them were priced at least $10. I even see some of the most expensive ones priced at $100. Starting off with the first stranger that I hired by the name of Provo Talent. So after listening to his voice demos, I had to hire him. He has that movie trailer deep voice. For a 100-word script, it costs $20 for a voiceover, and he will deliver it within 24 hours. Now, I don't know this voiceover industry too well. I don't know if that's considered cheap or expensive. I'm gonna say right in the middle, but considering the fact that he's gonna deliver it in 24 hours, that is not bad at all. In his portfolio, he says that his name is Chuck and he has a lot of experience, blah blah blah. This is the part where they tell you why you should hire them. He also has a 5-star rating of 244 reviews, which is a massive plus, and that just basically sealed the deal for me. After submitting my payment, I had to put down my request, so I said, "Hi, I have no script. My request is just for you to do an impromptu voiceover for a 2.5-minute slime tutorial video that will be part of a video going up on YouTube. I already have the video made for the voiceover. I can either send you an unlisted link or upload it somewhere. Contact me. There are no restrictions. You just talk however you want as you watch the video." The dude almost didn't want to do my request because I had no script, but then eventually he went with it, and here we go. Here is Chuck, stranger number 1.
Hello, how to make slime. Glue. That sounds like fun. Clear glue. Instant snow. Soft clay. Shaving cream. Foam. Good. Something familiar now. Daily Advanced Lotion. Foaming hand soap. Come on, pump it out. Colors. Pink, purple, green. Stirring. Always the easiest part of the process. Okay. Whatever that was. Delightfully goopy. Maybe this is just water. And now, fingers. It's kind of gnarly at this point. Stringy. Yeah. Eesh. Satisfying sound? Lots of little air bubbles. Ooh, 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 stretchy. This is a little satisfying. Scary face.
That was great. 5 stars for me. Definitely more of a reaction than explaining the tutorial, which made it more entertaining, to be honest. This time I wanted to hire a female to do my voiceover. Well, duh, because I'm female. So the seller that I initially booked before the seller of this video, she actually couldn't do my request because I had no script. Well, it's okay because I didn't need you anyway. Sometimes people just can't do your request. I get it. Blueburn67 came through and was able to do my request. I listened to her audio samples and I was sold. You're hired. She seemed like she could be versatile. She could do many different types of voices, such as professional voice, a young voice, all of that jazz. For 100 words, it will cost $25 and she'll deliver the voiceover within 3 days. So this seller had a longer delivery time and was a little more expensive. Her name is Christina, blah 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 blah. 4.9 star rating with 521 reviews. Sounds good. So I submitted my payment and then I put down what I want, and I just submitted something similar to what I did for Chuck. And here we go. Here is stranger number 2, Christina.
Hi. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some quality slime today. So first, we're starting with some white glue. Pretty good stuff, don't eat it, guys. Next is Daiso clay. I'm just gonna rip off some chunks, about like half the block. Fishbowl beads. And this stuff is bouncy, so do not pour it onto the table, it'll fall everywhere. Instant snow. Looks like Parmesan cheese. Lotion. Just like, I don't know, get some from the bathroom. I know it's there in your house. Couple squirts, more like 4. Foaming hand wash. This one is pink grapefruit flavored. I mean, scented. Good stuff, good stuff. Food coloring. Deep pink and violet. Squirt it on like you got some little eyes for your snow. And you mix. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. You can use your other hand once this hand gets tired because it's turning thick, guys. It's turning thick. Some water. Just pour it in as needed. Might be a little, might be a lot, but just keep going. Just keep going, guys. Looking good. I'm going to add a little more. Looks good, looks good. And at this point, I'm just going to scrape off all the stuff from the spatula. And I'm just going to use my hands. Add a little more glue because I think it needs it. Oh, be generous with the glue, guys. And I'm just going to shovel this stuff around. Add some more water. Rinse and repeat, guys. You guys know what I'm doing. Now at this point, I think it's pretty much done, guys. I'm gonna get vigorous. I'm really gonna get in this slime and just, ooh. Voila! I've got a nice clean little ball of slime. I just want to poke my fingers through this stuff, guys. It's like, I'm gonna make a honeycomb out of this. Got some bubbles in there. This is rather therapeutic, actually. Whoa, it looks like a spider web when I expand it. Oh. It makes these little clapping noises. Well, I definitely call that a success, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like the video. You guys know the drill. Bye!
I enjoyed that so much. Such a natural. She was so adorable. This is probably one of my most favorite videos I've ever filmed. Definitely had so much fun with this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!